Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and today's video is going to be another episode about polymer clay. Today I want to show you how you can create a crown. In my case it's an elf's crown, so let's get started. If you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to hit the red button, like this video, leave a comment down below, and let's keep going. This week I decided to recreate some of the elf's look, and then I decided that I want to have a crown, and as a reference I was taking the Thranduil. As a reference for the crown, I took the Thranduil, the elf skin from the Lord of the Rings and from Hobbit. I'm gonna list down below everything that I'm using for this project. I'm starting by creating the base for the crown, and for that I'm using just the metal headband and wire. I am cutting equal size or equal length pieces from the wire and kind of wrapping them around the headband. When I applied all of the wires on my band, I just shaping them a little bit, and it's like in a way I want them to be. And now I'm adding the aluminum foil on top of the wires just to add a little bit of the volume to it. And when I did that, I start covering the base with the polymer clay. I'm taking some of my polymer clay scraps, mixing them to have like one color, and also flatten it on the pasta machine on a minimum thickness. And when I cover the base, I'm doing additional little pieces like branches. And for that, again, I'm wrapping the aluminum foil into like a little string. and wrapping around with a polymer clay, making sure it's all stuck to it, and just adding on to the base. And after I did that, I am baking the crown for the first time. First baking was pretty easy, but even though I was worried that something might come off, but everything was fine. I was baking this already in my regular bake oven for 30 minutes. Then I'm taking it out, let it cool down, and I decided to add something on the bottom of the crown, and I'm doing that again with aluminum foil and polymer clay. And when it's done, I'm again sending it to bake, and the second baking was pretty bad because I already flipped the crown, so it wasn't standing like straight on a tray. I flipped it upside down, and all of my little branches got like stuck around, and then something came out because I started moving it while it was already warm, and you're not supposed to do that, but hopefully not. I had not much of the damage, but definitely don't recommend to touch the warm polymer clay when it's already baking. Then I just fixed it with the glue gun. Also, I fixed any details that like kind of came off. I also glued them. And now it's the time when I'm gonna cover my crown with spray paint, and I decided to use like a Miro glaze spray paint. And after I spray paint, I'm leaving it for 24 hours to dry. And here's how my crown looks after 24 hours with just spray paint. I was really happy with the results. I like how it's glossy and shiny. And now I'm just adding some fake flowers and kind of attaching them in between the main branches that I have just to fill up the space. And also I'm using the glue gun for that. And here's my final result. I also added a little bit of the fish wire in the beginning that's gonna go on a like edge of your forehead just to secure the crown because it's pretty heavy on the back of your head, so it needs some support in front. And I want to show you some pictures and videos I did in the elf's look. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Share with me in the comments below if you like this project, creating the elf's crown out of the polymer clay. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.